Do you want to take screenshot while browsing in secret mode? By default, Samsung Internet doesn't allow screenshot in secret mode. Let me show you how to change it. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the tabs icon. Then tap the more icon in the top right corner. Select secret mode setting. Here, you will find allow screenshot in secret mode. It's disabled by default. When it's disabled, you are not allowed to take a screenshot in secret mode. So to allow screenshot, simply turn on allow screenshot in secret mode. Now when you take a screenshot in secret mode, it will be captured normally. However, if you'd rather keep screenshot blocked for better privacy, simply leave this option disabled. And that's how to allow or block screenshot in secret mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.